Frozen drain pipes in cold climates are a total nightmare, but you can fix them fast without calling someone right away. Okay, so first up, if your drain pipe is frozen, grab some heat tape and wrap it around the pipe. It's like putting a little electric blanket on your pipe to warm it up slowly. If you don't have heat tape, just pour hot water over the frozen section carefully, but don't use boiling water because it could crack the pipe. You can also use a hairdryer or a portable heater to warm the pipe gently from the outside. Make sure to start warming the pipe from the faucet end so the melt water can flow out instead of getting stuck inside. Another tip is to keep your cabinet doors open if the pipes are under sinks to let warm air circulate around them. If you know a big cold snap is coming, try to insulate your pipes with foam sleeves or even old towels wrapped around them for extra protection. And always check your pipes early in the season so you catch any problem spots before they freeze solid. One of the biggest mistakes with frozen drain pipes is rushing to use a blowtorch or open flame, which can totally wreck your pipes or start a fire. Never do that. Instead, stick with safe heat sources like heat tape or hair dryers. Another common issue is ignoring slow drips or cold spots on your pipes until they freeze completely. Regular checks and wrapping pipes early can stop the freeze before it happens. Lastly, people forget to open their faucet slightly to keep water moving during extreme cold, which helps prevent freezing by not letting water sit still in the pipe, and just a tiny drip does wonders. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know how to handle stuff like frozen pipes right. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to get work from folks who need repairs done without all the hassle of searching around.